What if I told you there is one simple move you can do right now in under 60 seconds that can instantly clear your stuffy nose, drain sinus pressure, and help you breathe freely without using any sprays or medication? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it and why it works so effectively. Imagine waking up every morning with a completely blocked nose, feeling groggy, tired, and frustrated that you can't start your day with a deep, satisfying breath. Millions of people struggle with sinus congestion caused by allergies, colds, or chronic sinusitis. You might think that relief only comes in the form of over-the-counter decongestants or prescription medications, but the truth is that your body is equipped with natural ways to open those passages and drain the buildup inside your sinuses. Today, you're going to learn one powerful technique you can practice anytime, anywhere, to open your nasal passages naturally and reclaim the comfort you deserve. This technique is called controlled nasal drainage, and it relies on the principle of repositioning your head, jaw, and tongue in a way that unlocks your eustachian tubes and stimulates the flow of mucus out of your sinuses. Let's start by understanding why your nose gets congested in the first place. Inside your head, there are hollow spaces called sinuses. These cavities are lined with delicate membranes that produce mucus. Under normal conditions, this mucus drains naturally through small openings and keeps your nasal passages clean and moist. But when you have inflammation from a cold, allergy, or irritation, the membranes swell up, blocking these passages and creating pressure. That's why you feel stuffy, foggy, and sometimes even develop headaches or facial pain. The key to relief is helping your body open those passages so trapped mucus and air can escape. And that's exactly what this move does. I want you to sit comfortably in a chair or stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Drop your shoulders down and relax your jaw. Now gently tilt your chin downward as if you were nodding very slowly. Keep your lips closed but allow your teeth to separate slightly inside your mouth. This creates space in your soft palate. Once you're in position, place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth just behind your front teeth. Hold this position and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel your nostrils expand. Hold your breath for a count of 3, and then exhale gently through your nose or mouth. Repeat this breathing cycle 5 times while maintaining the same posture. As you do this, you may feel a subtle pressure change or even a slight popping sensation inside your head. That is the moment your eustachian tubes are adjusting, releasing trapped air, and beginning to drain the excess fluid. For some people, relief is immediate. You might feel one side of your nose open before the other. That's completely normal. Your nasal passages are rarely identical in size, and they naturally alternate between more and less congested states throughout the day. If you don't feel much change after the first round, don't worry. You can repeat this process 2 or 3 times in a row, taking short breaks between cycles. Many people notice their breathing improves progressively after each repetition. Now let's talk about why this method is so effective. When you tilt your chin down and separate your teeth while pressing your tongue up, you are mechanically creating space along the back of your throat and the entrance to your nasal cavity. This combination of movements stretches and relaxes the tissues that may be tight or inflamed, while your gentle breathing adds a rhythmic pumping effect that encourages the flow of mucus. Unlike aggressive nose blowing, which can actually push mucus further back or irritate tissues more, this method uses subtle pressure shifts to encourage drainage without force. It's safe, gentle, and can be used multiple times a day. Think about the last time you had a head cold. You probably felt the frustration of lying awake at night, trying to breathe through a blocked nose. This technique can become your go-to remedy before bed or even during the night if you wake up congested. The best part is that you don't need any tools, just your body's own mechanics. If you want to amplify the effects of this move, you can pair it with a warm compress. Simply soak a washcloth in warm water, wring it out, and place it over your nose and cheeks for a minute or 2 before doing the technique. The warmth will help thin the mucus and relax the tissues, making it even easier to clear your airways. You can also gently massage the sides of your nose and under your cheekbones in small circles. This massage helps stimulate circulation and lymphatic flow, further promoting drainage. Another helpful addition is hydration. When you're dehydrated, mucus becomes thick and sticky, making it harder to clear. Drinking a glass of warm water or herbal tea before you practice this technique can help thin secretions and speed up relief. Let's review the steps once more to make sure you're confident in doing this on your own. Step 1. Sit or stand comfortably with good posture. Step 2. Gently lower your chin. Step 3. Close your lips, but keep your teeth slightly apart. Step 4. Place the tip of your tongue behind your front teeth on the roof of your mouth. Step 5. Inhale slowly through your own, hold for 3 counts, then exhale. Repeat this 5 times or as needed. As you breathe and hold the position, visualize the pressure in your sinuses melting away, the passages opening, and fresh air flowing in. Many viewers ask, how often can you use this technique? The answer is, as often as you need it. Because it's non-invasive and doesn't rely on medication, you can practice it several times a day without risk. Some people use it every morning when they wake up and every evening before sleep, especially during allergy season or when they have a cold. Over time, you may find that your congestion decreases overall because you're consistently helping your body clear blockages. It's also helpful to understand when this technique might not be enough on its own. If you have severe sinus infections with fever, intense facial pain, or swelling around the eyes, you should see a healthcare provider. Those could be signs of bacterial infection that may require antibiotics. If you have structural issues inside your nose, like a deviated septum or nasal polyps, this technique can help with minor relief but may not resolve the problem fully. In those cases, you should consult an ENT specialist. For everyone else, this move is a safe, effective way to find relief in minutes. You may be surprised by just how powerful a simple position can be. In fact, some yoga practitioners have used similar chin-tilting positions combined with breathwork for centuries to promote sinus health and mental clarity. Imagine using this every day as part of a mindful self-care ritual. Picture yourself waking up, taking a few moments to center your breathing, and clearing your nasal passages before you even step out of bed. Throughout the day, when you feel congestion building, you can pause, do the move, and carry on with more comfort and focus. At night, as you prepare for sleep, you can practice it again, knowing that your airways are open and ready for deep, restful breathing. If you'd like to take this even further, you can combine this technique with simple lifestyle changes that support clear sinuses. One of the most effective strategies is to use a humidifier in your bedroom, especially during the winter months when indoor air is dry. Dry air can irritate your nasal passages and make mucus thicker. By keeping the air moist, you help your body maintain healthy secretions. Another tip is to avoid excessive dairy and processed sugar during times when you are congested. Some people find that these foods contribute to thicker mucus and more inflammation. Instead, focus on staying hydrated, eating fresh fruits and vegetables, and including warming spices like ginger and turmeric, which have natural anti-inflammatory properties. You can also practice steam inhalation once a day to help loosen mucus. Just fill a bowl with hot water, place a towel over your head to create a tent, and inhale deeply for a few minutes. Be cautious not to get too close to the water to avoid burns. This can be especially soothing before bed. Let's come back to the technique itself. As you grow familiar with the movement, you may notice that you feel more relaxed each time you do it. That's because the combination of chin tilt, tongue placement, and focused breathing not only clears your sinuses, but also signals your nervous system to shift out of stress mode. This relaxation response can lower your heart rate, ease tension in your neck and shoulders, and prepare you for better sleep. Many people report that within a week of practicing this move daily, they experience fewer headaches, less pressure behind the eyes, and a general feeling of clarity they didn't have before. If you're someone who often relies on nasal sprays, you might even find yourself reaching for them less frequently because your body is finally working as it should. If you're watching this right now, I encourage you to pause the video and try the move along with me. Find a comfortable position, tilt your chin, separate your teeth, place your tongue, and begin slow breathing. Feel the change happening in real time. Pay attention to which side of your nose opens first and notice how each breath feels easier. When you finish, take a moment to appreciate your body's natural ability to heal and adapt. You don't need complicated treatments or constant medication to feel relief. Sometimes the simplest methods are the most powerful. If you found this helpful, consider making it part of your daily routine. You can even set a reminder on your phone to practice morning and evening until it becomes second nature. Over time, you'll likely notice that you wake up clearer, feel more energetic, and breathe more freely throughout the day. Remember, your health is a journey, and every small step you take matters. This simple move is one tool among many you can use to support your well-being naturally. So the next time you feel that familiar pressure building behind your nose, instead of reaching straight for a pill, pause, breathe, and give your body a chance to do what it's capable of. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you'd like more natural strategies to improve your breathing, reduce pain, and enhance your energy, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you know someone who struggles with chronic congestion, consider sharing this with them. It might be the simplest, most effective tip they've ever received. Your breath is your life force. Nurture it, support it, and trust in your body's wisdom.